I gotta say, being a Piston Cup race car is pretty great. I've gotten to see the whole world. But on my last trip, I started thinking, wouldn't it be cool if the world got to see how great Radiator Springs is? And that gave me an idea.
Dadgum, you won again. What's that, like the 1/trizillionth time?
I don't know, Mater, but how about we make it 1 trillion and 1?
Oh, that's my lucky number. Let's go.
I'm faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning.
Press the pedal to accelerate.
Right on!
Tap the pedal when you're over the blue circle for a boost.
Speed. I am speed. No problem. I can do this with my eyes closed. And that's how it's done, folks. That was fun, Mater. Thanks. Sorry I beat you again.
Oh, that's okay, buddy. If I gotta lose, I'm glad it's against you.
Sure, but aren't you getting a little tired of racing on the same old track?
Nah, but if you are, we could add some new tricks to it. Come on. Ho-ho! Check out this here crazy loop.
Nice, but check out this loop.
Oh, and I got one last surprise.
I am so made for this. Yes, speed. I am speed. Hey, Todd. Glad you're here. You're just in time to help me out.
Wow, I'd love to help you practice, Lightning. You're kind of a hero to me.
Oh, I'm not practicing. I'm gonna host a track building / racing extravaganza. Cars can build their own tracks, fill them with tricks, then race on them. Want to give it a try?
Me? Design a track for Radiator Springs? What an honor! Where do I start?
Here's a starter track. Give it a spin. Fillmore wants to join in. You up for a race?
Man, am I excited to be here! Oh, this day rocks!
What does Lightning say? Oh yeah, focus.
Let's go, let's go! This is gonna be good. All right!
Mater's up next. Think you can take him?